It took me way too long to make this. Part 2 of fishing food. And let's not dilly-dally. Video time. Alright. Whoa! Oh, that doesn't seem good. Oh no! Wow, the wealth really trickled down. This is pretty concerning. I can't fish in these conditions. So, now what? It's gonna suck, but I know what I have to do. Tap to drink. We're drinking oil that fell in the... Okay, not gonna lie, this game is pretty awesome so far. What? Don't die. Sorry, got a little interrupted. Anyways. You're my only source of food. I'll be all right. Just needed to lie down for a bit. You look mentally incapacitated. Alright. More drinking. Oh no, what have I done? Hey there, big guy. Gosh. I'm fat now. My life is over.
I don't want to be fat anymore.
People will stop playing the game if I look like this. Oh, okay. Fourth wall break. Never hurt anyone. Nice. What are you doing? I have to squeeze the fat out. I will not be fat. What are you, Studio C?
I don't want you here anymore! Go on now, get!
What do you mean, squeeze it out? Where will it go? Not my problem. Anywhere but here. I need to stay cute for players. I did it. Is your eye okay? I guess the weight had to go somewhere. Good thing people think big eyes are cute. Uh-huh. Alright. Okay, more fishing. Anything interesting happens, I'll give you a call. Alright. Now, let's upgrade. Can we... Okay, I'll upgrade this first. Oh, oh, man. Depth level 2. Oh! Now we got... Oh, what is... Oh! Okay. Dragon fruit. Okay, so now we got a dragon fruit. That's neat. Oh! There's so many things. I gotta unlock the capacity. It's the only way. Alright, now let's unlock capacity again. Back into the threshold! Oh, I got a chest! What does the chest do? Whoa, there's so many cute foods here. Sorry, I'm running out of voices. What's inside you? It's a secret. Come on, just tell us. I'm sorry. It's hard for me to open up to people. Oh my gosh. Whenever I open up, people just take everything and leave. That's so relatable. Oh, I understand what you mean. Oh well. The key thing to do is just keep feeding your foods. Oh, key thing. Okay. Maybe one day I'll open up again. Good for you. I don't think I ever will. Are you okay? Good question. Okay, lovely. There's something down there. You guys could see that, right? There's definitely something down there. Yeah, see? I saw it. It's like a big little house under the water. Alright, one more fish should get me... depth. Go! I got a house! What's the house do? A cafe? You sure saved my life. Oh boy. No problem. Seriously, you're a lifesaver. Oh, thank you. I can't believe I caught an entire cafe! I don't know what to expect in this game anymore, so yeah, sure. What were you doing in the ocean? Drowning Drowning, mostly. That sounds delightful. Oh, gosh. What am I playing? I guess that makes sense. I'm surprised you were strong enough to pull me up. Yeah, I work out. Seriously? You? Look at those little baby arms. Look at them. Teeny tiny. I can tell. Thanks again. How can I repay you? Well, for some reason, my burger turns food into coins. Yeah. Somehow. Can you make him something to eat? That's weird, but okay. I'll make some drinks. I usually sell them, but... oh, gosh. I usually shell them, but I'll give them to you for free. I'll make drinks whenever you close the app. Give it a try. Relaunch app to continue. Oh. Oh, I literally have to leave the app. Alright. We're back. It's interesting how you actually had to leave the game. Swipe to drink. Oh. Alrighty then. What do you have to say to that, Burger? Thanks for the drink. Wow, you ate the whole thing! What? Oh, yeah. Because apparently you eat drinks! Everyone who drinks a drink, you're wrong. Burger has pointed out, you drink drinks. The container isn't edible, you know. It's okay, wait. It's okay, my digestive system is amazing. Also, it's faster to eat the whole thing. I only have so long before I die. Gotta save time whenever I can. Eating the container might make you die sooner, but whatever. The important thing is what my drinks make you throw up a lot of coins. Oh, is that my drinks make you throw up a lot of coins? Sorry. Mispronunciation. I'll make you drink for up to 2 hours while you're away from the game. So, wow, sounds good. Offline earnings, good to hear, good to hear. Do you want to get a notification when my cafe is full of drinks? Sure. Great. Alright, back to fishing.